Hello again, you beautiful people of the planet Earth. Welcome to another episode of Life Learner. So, today I'm so excited to actually unbox something I have been dreaming of for like forever. Maybe like 10 years now. I've been dreaming and crushing on it, and then I've been holding off on buying it, but because I've been holding off and because it's made of precious material, you probably know what I'm talking about, it has gone up in value. So it's, for me, if I may say so myself, it's quite a good investment. So I have, well, most of you probably know that I went on vacation in Europe, and it was actually 14 days, Spain, Portugal, and then I stayed for 3 nights and 4 days in Paris. And day one of that trip, I bought, what I've been meaning to do so for like a decade now. So it's a gift to myself. It's kind of like, it's more of a thank you for becoming the person that I am, for spending time with me. It was all about self-discovery and self-love and just me time. So you guys are going to unbox with me my new Cartier Love Bracelet. Oh my goodness, like, this has been a dream come true. But if you have a dream, you have to make sure that you pursue it. Do not rely on someone else to actually give it to you or be a catalyst to actually make it happen for you. You go after it. You want it, you go get it, girl. So let's unbox it. The sales lady checked for my size, and then how we identified that I was a size 16, and she had me try this on. So this thing is like, it's not really glued like the rest of the side of this box. You can actually just do that, because I think it's because of this locking mechanism here. So for you to just easily open the box, this flap comes out. This is the actual box. So to open, just do that, and then ta-da, comes with that love bangle and the screw. So just take a moment to appreciate that. 10 years in the making for me. So I am a size 16. So let's try it on. Let's put it on. I've never really put this on since I got home. Like, I know I tried this when I was in Spain. This is the very first thing that I bought. Like, when I got to Madrid the next day, I was like, okay, we are not going to delay. We are going to go and get that bracelet. So it's kind of fancy how this bracelet is locked in like that, and there is a lever that you can pull on the back, and you just pull it gently to like remove the band from the hook. Not sure if you can see that. So there's a hook to just unhook it, and then this thing will come up. Okay, now we are going to unscrew. Let's unscrew the bracelet. So let's remove the screw from the box. It's funny because this keeps falling off, but now that I need it to be out, it's making it difficult. Anyways, alrighty. Kind of nervous. I don't want to scratch it, but they say it's impossible not to scratch because it's made of gold, and there's gonna be wear and tear. Gosh, I wonder how long it will take me to put this on. the fake ones, this screw literally comes off. I think this one does too, but I don't want to do that, so I don't want to lose it. But essentially what you'll just have to do is unscrew it so it loosens up, and then this one actually gives you a space on top to align it like that, and then you can just screw it tightly. That's how it should be. Now that I have it, I'm kind of like, I don't want to use it because I don't want to scratch it, but that's kind of like, it defeats the purpose of buying something. I hope you can see it. Come on, camera. Oops. It's good because it knows, like, once it's in, once it's seated properly, you know it's in, and then the other side is already seated as well. So I'm just trying to tighten the screws. Because I was gonna just get this in Australia, because I've been eyeing on getting this one since before the end of last year. I saw it was still 10,500 or 10,600 on Australian website, but then I think in April of this year, they've increased the price. They've increased to up to 11,600. And when I asked that lady in Spain, in Madrid, she says it is, let me just show you. It was actually, I think it totaled to up to 13,000 Australian dollars if I converted it from euro to Australian dollars. But what got me to really buy this from there was that they have a very generous VAT refund. So the VAT was 21%. So I would have saved a couple of hundred Australian dollars if I bought it there. So yeah, I mean, they say you're not going to be able to put this on by yourself. So that's why that's why it's called a love bracelet, because someone has to put it on for you and lock away the key, which is the screw. But no, you can definitely put this on yourself, guys. There she is. Isn't that lovely? Like 10 years in the making. It's amazing. It's amazing to actually finally see your dream come true. Like, it was just a dream to have a genuine Cartier bracelet. Something I bought from the Cartier shop. So it's really lovely. I think 10 years ago, this was only just, I think I was still in Singapore 10 years ago, and I was asking, I went shop hopping, jewelry hopping. I went from Paris to Nice to Geneva. It was still pretty cheap back then. But now, and who knows, guys, after we're over this inflation, this will definitely go up in value. So it's a good investment. and you can always, you know, leave a legacy. I can give this to my son, and when I have granddaughters, when he has, you know, his own family in the future, I will definitely hand this down. So that's it. Thank you for putting this on with me. This is a dream come true. So if you're looking to get yourself one, well, if you can afford it, why not? If it's all about, it's perspective, guys. Most people would say, I would never buy something that expensive. Well, if you can't afford it, I don't understand why you would get it. But if you can't afford it, or if you're going to work towards getting it, then you owe it to yourself. Like, you deserve it. It's life is short. You don't know when you're going to go. And I do know for a fact that, like, a friend shared this to me once. She said her dad died and they had them cremated. And before he could get cremated, she was asked to take his shirt off before they could cremate her dad. So she told me, even a lousy shirt you can't bring with you. So I get that. I'm not trying to be materialistic, guys. I don't want you to be as well. But just, it doesn't mean you don't enjoy simple things in life. I mean, this is not simple, because for some people this costs a fortune. But again, your mind is the only thing that's limiting you. I didn't think I could afford this before, so I tried to save up, and then I got here finally to this moment. So yeah, never give up on your dreams. Live below your means. Always make sure that you're saving and investing more than you're spending as well. You take note of that. Remember that, because you also need to take care of your current self and your future self. So invest in your future, most importantly. So you eat healthy, you exercise, you feed your mind, you feed your soul. Stay happy, be peaceful, and yes, always share positive and good vibes. So I think that's it for you guys today. Thank you, and I wish you all a lovely and wonderful rest of your day. Namaste.